In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear formatting from text in a document. This is a simple yet powerful technique that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're working with text that has inconsistent styles or unwanted formatting. Whether you're dealing with a document that has multiple fonts, colors, and sizes creating a visual mess, or you just want to start fresh with your text, clearing formatting is the way to go. Let's dive into the process and simplify your document in just a few steps. First things first, you'll want to decide which portion of your text you'd like to clear the formatting from. If you're looking to strip the formatting from a specific segment, use your mouse to highlight and select that section of text. However, if you're aiming for a more comprehensive cleanup and want to clear formatting from the entire document, there's a handy shortcut just for that. By pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard, you'll select all the text in the document. This action ensures that whatever formatting hijinks are sprinkled throughout your document, they're all targeted at once. With your text selected, let's move on to the crucial step: actually clearing the formatting. Navigate over to the Home tab, which you'll find in the ribbon at the top of your document window. This is where all the fundamental tools are housed, including the one we need. Within the Home tab, locate the font group. You'll notice a variety of options here, but the star of the show today is the Clear All Formatting button. It's characterized by an icon that looks like an eraser brushing over an uppercase A. This button is your one-stop solution to vanquish any unwanted formatting. A simple click on this button will transform your selected text by removing any applied styles. Your text will shift back to the document's default attributes, such as font type, size, and color. Typically, this will also mean that your text will revert to the normal style, unless you've set a custom default style for your document. This standardization is often especially helpful if you're aiming for a clean slate or a professional appearance without any stylistic distractions. And there you have it. The process to clear formatting in your document is complete. No longer will you have to be bogged down by inconsistent text styles that make your document look cluttered or unprofessional. You are now ready to apply new styles uniformly or leave the text as it is in its refined simplicity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.